Day two. Well, this is actually the first day. Yesterday was practice. Jason's got the car up on stands right now, pulling an Augie Soto. He's going to be running fresh 3 hours today, so I expect nothing but the best. Can't really see the inside. This car's legit. He just had Emotion put on the RSR mirrors. These are pretty dope. Nixie. Hopefully she doesn't bark as much today.
We lobbied and we got one more coming. 6? Actually, yeah, between 9 and 10. All right, I see some familiar faces. Glad to see you. Oh yeah, if you need hazardous waste, it's...
Here we are, day one of competition. Ready to go. We're on in 10 minutes, or 15. So I'm gonna start the car up, let it get warm, get ready to go. Getting ready to start one. Car feels great. Everything feels great. Same tire setup as yesterday with my Fuckboy Stance Nation stretch going on. But yeah, should still be fine.
Hi everybody, and welcome to the Super Lap Battle at Circuit of the Americas live stream. I'm Kyle Heyer, joined by Alex Moss.
All right, here we go. Session 1, day 1. I'm ready.
Looks like that's Gabe Zamora in that beautiful GT3 rolling into turn 1.
Cutting track on I think 19, so we deleted like 3 laps of yours.
Okay, what am I doing wrong?
You're cutting the track. You're going inside the white line. Let me make sure it's 7. Hey Paul, car 7 is he's cutting at 19. Yeah.
Car 7 again, Tony.
Car 7 is cutting at 19.
Yes, car 7 cut turn 19 at 9:14 a.m. and at 9:18 a.m. Back-to-back laps.
Back-to-back laps, twice on 19. You're going too far inside. Once you cross that white line, you're off track.
Okay.
All right?
Yep.
like Mr. Zamora, Gabe Zamora, is second on the timesheets. I heard him blast past at a 2:24.3, and he was on a full flyer. Maybe he's just getting those Yokohamas warmed up and scrubbed in good, but.
Alright guys, just got done with the first session. My first 2 hot laps did not count. They said that I cut track limits on the corner 19, turn 19. That is the second to last corner. It's usually where a lot of people cut. And I just wasn't noticing that I was cutting it. So I went back out after bleeding pressures, set down 2 more flyers, and on my last flyer I got another PB 24.1. So almost in the 23s on these tires, which really leaves me excited. Halfway through the day I'm going to swap to some 3R scrubs. Reason being, I have a fresh set of 3Rs and I don't want to put them on and be really surprised by how much more grip I have. So I want to kind of slowly lean myself into it, and yeah, Sunday should be fun. But focused on today, focused on laying down fast laps and consistent laps. So we're consistently in the low 24s right now, and hopefully you can get a low 20 or a high 23 with these tires, and then get into the 22s with the scrubs, hopefully even the 21s, but we'll see. Yeah.
Scrubbing the whole way down the straight.
Look at this shit, boys. This shit is hard as fuck. Usually like an ARP compound, like even a new cup tube you could dig into. You could put a nail mark. Ugh. Nothing. My big dogs. Sick ass fool. Damn. Shit. Drip. Drip. With the Lone Star on the side. Let's go. Texans, baby. Damn. Apparently I'm not good enough to be in the fucking catalog over here. The brochure of scam artists right here. Look at this motherfucker right there. Brochure of scam artists. Look at this thing. LS swap.
SLB Group 2 drivers, this is your 10-minute call to grid. SLB Group 2 drivers, this is your 10-minute call.
All right, so second session. Fucked up. Went out with like no fuel. Thought I could get a lap in, and fuel starved it on the second to last turn before I started my actual lap. Came in, filled it up, went back out, and went on my out lap. Coming across the last turn, see the checkered flag, ends the session before I can even set a hot lap. So yeah, kind of screwed that up. But right now we're gonna swap to some 3R scrubs, and that should be straight. Lunch break, day 1. About to get some tacos. Let's see how these stack up against California tacos.
Gabe go by, or was that
Oh, Gabe just took
John
it down
McGinnis.
to 219,594.
Gabe turned it up?
Wrapping up day one of competition, and set another. Oh fuck! I haven't even updated you guys on what happened. Okay, so obviously tires off right now. I swapped after the second session to Supercar 3R scrubs. They had some decent life in them, but Jason said they had 3 track days in them. So I was kind of expecting them to be shit, like absolute trash. But they were pretty decent. It took a while to warm up. They've been sitting for a while, so I think getting a little heat in them brought a little life back into them. I was able to set a 119.7 the third session and then a 119.5 in my fourth. I'm putting on some new tires right now to get ready for tomorrow. And tomorrow, hopefully we can shave a few more seconds off as well. Hopefully get into those 16s, maybe even a high 15. Yeah, that is it. So, check in with you guys tomorrow.
Class.
In limited class, Andy Hollis with a 215.792. Zachary Sober with a 216.789. And James Rolk with a 218.608.